Dropshipping can feel like a maze, especially when you're just starting. You need products, suppliers, and a way to connect it all, but you're not ready to commit to a monthly fee. It's a common dropshipping dilemma. So, what's the deal with Spocket's free plan? Let's break down exactly what you get without spending a dime. The first thing you need to know is that Spocket's free plan isn't a free trial that expires in 2 weeks. It's a perpetual free plan, meaning you can use it for as long as you need. This is perfect for someone who wants to test the waters and get a feel for the platform before scaling up. So, what does the free plan include? You get to browse Spocket's entire product catalog. That's right, you can search through millions of items to find products that fit your niche. The free plan also gives you access to Spocket's network of vetted suppliers, a huge number of whom are located in the US and Europe. This is a game changer for dropshipping because it means faster shipping times and better product quality. The free plan allows you to add products to your import list. Think of this as your personal wish list of items you might want to sell. From there, you can easily connect your Spocket account to a major e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix. The free plan also includes basic order management tools, so you can see your orders come in and track their status. It's the essential framework you need to start your dropshipping journey without any upfront cost. Now, let's be real. A free plan has limitations. You can browse all the products, but you can't actually import them to your store and make sales with the free plan. You also won't have access to premium features like branded invoicing, direct chat with suppliers, or bulk checkout. You will need to upgrade to one of their paid plans for those features. The free plan is designed to help you explore and get your store ready, but you'll need to make the jump to a paid plan to start selling. Spocket's free plan is a fantastic, risk-free way to start. It gives you the power to find quality products and connect to suppliers, all while getting a feel for the platform. It's the perfect way to build your product list and lay the groundwork for your dropshipping business without any financial pressure. If you're serious about dropshipping, the free plan is the best place to begin your research and get ready to launch.